gach blianna ag toisich na saoin, ha féil reich fór ga cumel an na tal staffan, sy'n eregad o hwgal ga sgrwyd ag ailse. Se alwastad mach crachgal agus a fen Helen fi cwrdd doi yn eilsio, y hwnnw blianna ac yn cawr agus deich blianna fichyd, ba fa hiad eid an y nochgyd sa sia.
Chonna seo has sin iarh hascir million nocht a húcail os an scrúd ag ailse, agus sé bóra bha sin, agus sé ba hanna hatal ar hástoch. Ha mi sin iste fá Skye agus bitún jóca mi nóchas tína stéas mi jói. Mar chúpul was niu cúpar magaríru cóla agus fa niúna bha cólar in ar a chomiti fa cyn nimitach blianna ha tainan iste fa háisi sin. Has ni tás ag ar an opera seo suas ma dhérig August, stol timichil a chúrla bú is áte far bhfuil oprichin far dúine cosna gar éid agus as ni féin taich fór far an dúine sin agus as sin mar háir cór a scéir míl nachtéin mas tá sig níl reich gacin.
Looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Well, this is the bottle stall. It's £5 for a pound. You get tickets out of the box, and it's all the numbers ending in 0 and 5, Alan?
0 and 5.
0 and 5, they get a prize. You got a bottle there. There's the odd dud one, so not everyone's a winning ticket, but there's an awful lot of winning tickets, as you can see by the bottles in the back there, and that's why they call it the honest stall, so there's very few dud tickets in the box. This young girl here, she came as a wee tot to help out, and she's now in charge of the bottle stall. Well, she thinks she is.
Someone's got to be. I went away to university and I made sure I came back every November to come to the sale.
We've always been the same week too, doing this bottle stall. We're always looking for promotion, but we never seem to get it. we think a lot of people just come with X amount of pounds, and it's not really about winning, it's about donating to cancer research. I think that's what their purpose is. You know, they'll have maybe £30 in their pocket, that's what they're going to spend.
Nothing to do with alcohol. The staff and people have been exceptionally good at supporting it throughout all the years, really.
Every year you feel you can't beat the previous year, and we still come up with the same or record amount of money, so it's good. But there's a lot of work in it, you know, it's huge, and you know, the race probably we would hope today to come out with about £14,000, which is a huge sum, you know, and that's so when you think of it really for the cause cancer research it's all about, and if we can have a bit of fun while doing it, all the better. He does smile, by the way. He does.
That's extra.
We have soup and sandwiches.
That's when he smiles.
Soup and
Once the soup
sandwiches.
comes out.
He smiles then.
Oh, everyone looks forward to it. You know, it's a good event and lots of fun.
Han stad y beker ac yn hon I Trotternish. Ha Helen tór chéigich yn y gianw a hon.
45 sponges and about 20 fruit loaves, I think, and some tablet. I do a bit of marmalade or jam. I store and sort out all sorts of things that are donated over the year. And basically I nag people. That's it.
My name's Kathleen and I have been helping out probably for the last 4 or 5 years now. Helen gave me a wee phone and said would I like to join the committee, so you can't say no to Helen. So I've been doing it ever since. And there's not anybody that hasn't been affected by cancer at some stage in their lives, and there's always people I know battling against the disease, so it's always nice to help and try and raise some money to make some sort of difference, so it's good.
Teisgur maith Harjin, agus fáilte chríal réibh go tal staff in Nuarile.
There we are, 5 tickets.
What was it ending in it?
0, 5 or a 0. Ending with a 5 or a 0. These all winners.
Oh, you're doing well, eh? You came at a good time, eh?
10 tickets.
Who's it? You know.
Mr. McKay is now holding up a lovely mirror here. Who'll start me off at £10 for it? Looking for £10. £5 at the front. Looking for 10. 10. It's a lovely, lovely painting. Who'll start me off at £15? You can't pound a spin again. You see it. You're so gentle compared to your auntie. What's the number?
25.
Busy, it's really busy, it's crazy. We've just been flat out since we opened up, so it's good.
Hi dear.
Ha open heen ek hulle dunne wie se kutjig ek neil.
Ja, dan is kan ik in Spantik zo de blieren. Je zegt nou goed zijn, je kan zo.
Well, we start off at 30 pounds for the kg.
Nu Catherine tunna, kun tunna gesteis a vacke.
Oh, sinne.
Nearly 2 hours we've been selling tickets here, and hopefully I think we'll have perhaps made about $700 or perhaps about £700 in the bottle stall.
It's been very good, very successful. A lot of money. What do you want?
Laat me eens spoors. Ik krijg tachertje zijn garretje. Ze weer misken doen je has een geil opvallen. Als doen je had tot licht je hechten voor geen iemand te plenen niet. Maar ik ben gaan zien had tot waar tolle begonje maar comedy show. Is niet zo raar dat ik niet heel loeren nog. Is niet terkijk gaan we noorsens bij de kosten maken raad. Dat is niet alright.
Agus ek dierige lá fytti yng Nghymru y fi gymat holletje, or chai cor agus sia 10 mil yn och da hokel, gas sgrwt y gaelsio. Hadol ranken y ffyrwch am y cyd malwag. Get a herre wie die krautjerach zijn immerdag plianne. Gaan je fatteitjer van de hoore krautdoe pedigree.
Keer plianne van de hoosje meer krautdoe. Gaan ik mee keren hoosje. Naflen, schia, zo'n rood. De tree was zo, tree wolken had. Er nu meersen, dus plianne kadé. De wijngrimpieren is dan je vatten ga je te mag. Het nieuwe stefatte jaren van de haskmeet van de grauw. Goede kinderen en grote personality, die verrek je goede verre. Vind ik juist en dus vind ik het dus uit. Nou, elkaar groen zo veel preen dus de tot dan is nog een vast gezocht. Het zullen we ook nog doen. Ben je een waaier daar en dan heb je gestuurd in mager, nu niet een, maar goed toen heb je bij hard gaan. Verder een heel erg kan kook ook ze junkie ook meer en je Jimmy Johnston dat ik zelf. Ja, Ebenezer. Af travejandig mis euro miljoens in de meer. Bij tegen massa we zien han je dus nog. Goed mis het tor jij me weg. Je gaat al de school. Die aan de heel kon er in mijn heen. Hij is in de kracht erach. Oh, je wil raken zijn, maar raken huis. Mijn heen kon niet er komen. Feit hier de nasjaks. Doet het door. Op de hokkers tegen een oor. Verkonde je gewoon. Kracht erach, zei Perlem. Dan we vorsten nog kunnen gaan krijgen grachtjakken. Hoe zou het daar euro miljoens van mijn breiner? Dan heb je gezocht, dus 100 keer. Had ik een ring als een hele traf kutjak. Dan kun je dat zeer van lijn zag ik, maar hoe zo'n krijg mij nou. Als je nu nooit bij jou krijgt een ring, kom het er aan de heen. Ik kan een stonde goedje man. Je hebt 3 bleende geus. En na het daar even zeg ik, als je maar aan de kruipse bij. Al eentje. Er wordt nog preen uit. Maar ik kan nu nemen, maar nog te bij. Hoe ik leer kindje gasten. Hoe voelt je het eigenlijk gemakkelijker. En dan kom je het doen naar de hoogste bij naar het dunste bij die. Dan kan je bij ook voor een bij mis kon je het warnig wie er ooit land. Nou wel zo stressbuster maar dan niet. Wel, ik nog op mijn doppellaag, het riek u op je shows. En ben je kijkt er goed kan ook koskeren jaren. We gaan het er meteen kroosterieën. Ze tooi bij gaan. Die nog eens kunnen er ook zien zeggen vaak hoe uit je. Kim je zeg maar ik doe naar kinderste jeugd. Dat kijkt er stuur je nou je. Kan goed maar Cimiseach dóial. Mar Tian sin. A bhí calán noch cruúin is féig is fénachan.
Tá Karen Heimbal a tikas dainsa an mor strí agus an cheanna tú in Ilean. As an dábli an na megirig, han buionneike, dainsa an in Ilean skiahanich, currimach ar ard an mor strí, strictly Skye, an erekat a hokal I gan a buion.
Thank you for core.
Sé eiche os a spárseo ann agus évid a fechgin ule sé na ina bhícha dósa is seanna dance a ballroom. Ach, hi os a far, hi os a spárseo.
When you're coming in, you've all got plenty of time. You don't need to be rushing your walk, so just make sure it is quite a nice sharp march. And then I think you are 4 counts and then hands up from the last person going on.
Mi sminnig gyrosyn sminnig gyda mad fundraiser ma fan. Cyddiach doi a hialting gan a chorsniach jibber in gynnu janu.
1, 2, 3, 4.
A bharach cúpa je wist die farpis yn je chéile strictly. A Karen agus na dainsa an óga a cruúach a dainsa ní a tain an naiche.
1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, far better, carry on. Move your head when you're doing your flap and slap. They are all quite strong teenage characters, so they all have their own ideas, and it's really important that they get their ideas, so they just have a brainstorming session and they put their ideas forward. Hands behind your back. Straight line, I want you all to travel. You've all got different size of legs, so you need to compensate for the person with the smallest.
Hoshi sin gulachig maar 3 seachken ras. Wel, a heet seachken fashion sminnig geet kjal is na ideas aken. Is nushin hoshi sin eet danse is mashin it out.
Is va mer biach ik hulle dinge an Jeva sin Dalianu.
Hips, hands on your hips.
Ha da buin naun agus na redcoats agus ha sinne na Highlanders agus ha sinne táisiigh ule mar an uler le mar ha sinne le carrotgin is ha sinne le fine earth ach an nuair sin ha sinne fein gema ferragach or hanna redcoats a chien agus mar a fiochin ri sinne fein amach as na tainakin.
Right the way round, Lexi, you can go a wee bit further, yeah.
Ha sinne clach go cleven agus ha sin danse ag nu naam agus ha sinne sapit sloa.
Flap, step, shuffle, hop, toe, hop, stamp, and cross, and point, and cross, and point.
Agus ha buim ie noch mór akin agus fé mé mar hul dunne a bhí ag nu naam an písan so ha sin ósach dirib.
Ha Karen bhí tikas na hían an óga an a bhat big.
I've been working with them for so many years, and for them to now be at this stage where they're so competent and capable, and it's really lovely to watch them just put something together and then perform it. It's really exciting, and then it's equally important that the community are actually witnessing it, and it's not just a small dance circle. It's people that generally never see them that will get the opportunity to see them, and they're very appreciative as an audience, and dance-wise, the dancers are very appreciative of the audience.
Hoisig mi a dansen er a mi siaglin a hús is by chortagrún gumór agus by ddíadach choma va mi cumladal agus anisha ha mi 3G agus ha mi hastra dhéanamh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Sé an teacher dak in hín sé me bhahead a han agus hoisig mi ag mu 3 is chat a hoisig mi quadperson gu coig blian a réis. As a scoil ha sin carachin cydjach agus nid a hannig mi hén isteach gu a chéad blian a bhan na danser yn cha cordúm nid a bhan mi mad i'r chaels rydyn mar sin.
Ha
sin iad a bhí an sa rain le dansa gaelach ha sin iad a bhí suas an inri uke Sios na Glasgow, the nation, sios yn marsin.
Ha mi ywsach excited or a seo an tres blin na hasin ar a dhéana bheith is ba na chiad ga ddíoch ywsach ma ach ha mi smynsin go bhfuil seo dul a bhí an fer a bear a bhacin.
Yes, good job, sorry.
Okay, good job.
Ha sémas bhí postarach gan na scíre úige an tíach na chöblionnachin, agus a deojála secasan muintear an náite.
26 on the hin. I said 26 hill on the hill. I said on the new gracht you had. So number 26 here, so na hey. Och had a new gracht, guards gehiesels. Naar postach aan uitgehen een nieuw. Ik vind het visak weer in de tuinje. Maar zo'n een adres de kleren konden. Ze nee, maar ze nummer hey. Roek ik me ook met een kilowatt. Als je koud miles zoals raad uitje. Agus, ha mi nefi nw gynnu son fichet bliana. Ha, ik hoort erom, karsgeleor. Ha, toch timmy heel skiën, ze kan je geri. Wanneer je skiën is, ze zorgt de social work aan. Maar gaan zat. Bij je tot neer, voor take-out. Agus, peper en zo en. Roeder als we een baanje aan, maar is toch een meisje aan. Bij voor zo als ik jullie. Kronaulis oli se fosta. Hänellä kyhä. Kämärän hosta tuolla harti nuulta stuhmaa na raitin tanoch. Pia tahart. Pi fjoonas na tehenstä. Hän ehkä tämän jäljellä fatulaa. Tuohon hosta. Sausen piasin son tuohon pikana vaarah krahkia nu. Hän mahtia tolls lichins. Mä Karl Uurisen skiida. Maha show. How's je nu weer? Geen drama nu.
Ach, maar zo. Japan.
Oh. Maar zo is goed je.
Toren steeds zo wakker.
En je laat dan nu.
Ja.
Wat voel jij nog?
Ja, moet een maat aan mijn krutsen, hè?
Moet een maat te joen.
Ja, oké.
Daar vast langs met je goed.
Oh, wel. Zullen we veel maken in je zin?
Een goede chance. Hi, Pete.
Come on in, mate.
How you doing?
Good to see you.
That's the lottery winnings. Don't spend them all at once, then.
Where we were before, the postie just put the post through the letterbox and you didn't see him from... You saw him every day, but it wasn't ever a chat or a friend or anything like this. But up here, it's kind of different to that. Did you watch the football last night?
I did, aye.
The England game, not Scotland.
No, I wasn't watching that, rubbish, no.
I enjoy him coming every day. He's always on time, and I look forward to him coming.
Anyway,
Good to see you, mate.
Best of going. Okay, cheers.
Right, well, there you go.
Hi, hi. Goed trailig.
Ach, wel, toch wel uit de saarne. Kost een licht koe aan het.
Licht koe,
ja.
En ik het, all right, maar wel.
Ja,
Lig je me laat. We gaan niet aan nu. Cheers in de eerste.
Ha náte trom bí sémas a dreibe gach lá, Fas je Trotternish de Trotternish as na blianich en mejerich.
Zijn krochten ik meneer naad je heen. Och, chauffeur ik klein dat was een lang uur. En je hebt weer goede films van locations, van films, starfilms, Stardust, Robert De Niro, Legende was van heel. Dus hij tarrant toerisch vat een huwel, zei die recht maken me. Zag je heel stiet dan heel goed woon je een hietje. Zijn jullie zelf de vaste. Bij posten geen vuist karan eieren wel. Hij had rekken zeggen skieren, ook toerische voor de hotels, als een bed and breakfast legend. Ik heb die frietje gehad in de kracht en ons op bidden als iets aan mij gelegd en ik had je als een Nederland naar dat je behellen. En ik had je naar mij minstens heen naar Daniela aan de hele Nederlands gelegd aan kan daar toe aan. Daniela verder stikker, och zit je er wel van een goede kaler te hoger heen en dan is t-Eilean nu ook. Daniela is wel toch nog toerisch, toch naar ze nu zo heen nog. Let eigenlijk een raadje cool als je oren toch een nieuw jaar in een raad. En is ook het aan als je als kinderen werkt, heb je er terecht. Och, veel misschien niet aan. Chauffeur klein, ik hoor het niet eens. Ja, even moet je een nachtje heen. Bij vaak al heel rannen voor klein, ik heb het
2, 3, cha-cha, 1, cha-cha, 2, cha-cha.
Shemiane Jaranahan, agus a Tessa agus Thomas a gulachig an strictly Skye, leis an teacher Dainsey, Barney Phillips. Ja, maar de senigere, Ballroom Barney.
I think this is about our 6th lesson, is it?
Yeah.
Our 6th lesson, and we come for about an hour and a half. So we usually come at night time, so we're usually quite tired, so we changed it to a daytime one, just to see if we were any better, but we're not. So it doesn't really matter, but it's 6 times, but we haven't done a lot of practice at home, so we're the only couple, the actual couple out of all the couples. So we should really be doing a bit more practice at home, but we'll get round to it. It's quite a hard fit in, isn't it, with the 3 young kids.
Here we go, so cha-cha-cha, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha.
And they just can't wait to see us on the stage. So we did a couple of times, we got a bit shaky and thought, oh, I don't know if we can do it. But they were desperate for us to do it. So really, we're just doing it for them.
You don't turn the first one, Thomas will turn away.
And then
we both go this way.
And then we both turn.
Then we both turn and you... should I do your bit?
Yeah.
Back, creep, place, forward, chassis.
Sain an an upper han dachi ag Barney, agus her as a rört as an ilen trich gan draste.
Been pretty much coming every 2 weeks, staying for a couple of days, and the dancers just have to try and come as much as they can to make the most of their practice. And when I'm not there, I hope they practice in between as well. You can probably not look at your feet now, so you've got to keep your heads up. So
1, 2, 3. 2, 3. We watched it last year. We came along and we were in the crowd and we kept saying, this is so much fun. And we were like that. I think we could do really, really well thinking of us just at home in the house doing disco dancing. Yeah, it's completely different. There's actually skill involved.
You should be able to do it almost on your own because you're not going to lean out.
Okay.
No, watch. Right. If you lean in from here, then you can just roll yourself almost. And Tom's is not having to hold you.
That was what I was doing.
You were going there,
Right, okay, that's something we can practice. So I'm actually quite embarrassed how bad we are. Yeah. So we really will have to...
We've got our work cut out for
Yeah,
this.
Definitely. That's it. We know what we're doing on Friday and Saturday nights for the next few weekends anyway.
So you'll be doing this. Your foot will go forward, side, and cha-cha backwards.
Ha Jona agus Ellen a gopper konder I teacher ille, ha jolwacher an Dainse a ha asen.
Do the 4th one for me.
Ma'am, so you're walking 1, 2, 3, 1, 2.
I've always kind of hankered after dancing. I've always kind of had a thing for it. So I thought, why not? Because I've been meaning to do it, but this year I'm doing it, and I'm in too deep now, so I can't.
You wouldn't back out anyway, would you?
No.
Well, the theme is through the ages, so we thought we'd just try something a bit older. So we've gone for Charleston from the 20s, but the music's a bit more modern. there's no point in worrying about it.
No.
It'll be what it is.
My kids are mortified that I'm doing it.
Yeah, mine aren't too bad.
No, yours are pretty
yeah.
good like that. Mine are like, Dad, please.
Slow, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I had have thought about it, I'd realise it's a big challenge because you see Strictly on TV and people are dancing with the professional and they get a lot of help. But if people haven't danced maybe at all, then it's a lot of work to get them to do something that looks really good as a show. So I'm not saying I'm stressed, but I realise it's a big challenge for everyone to learn as much as they've got to do in such a short time. Slow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Shen tango a ha sam agus callum a giúsacha.
Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, 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 and slow.
We got involved really just to help the dancers fundraise.
I got involved because you asked me one night when I was drunk, and I said yes.
Quick, 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 slow. So you sit kind of back on this right side. Yeah, like that's it there. And slow, quick, quick, yeah, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. That's better.
Oh, that felt much better, didn't it?
The first day was, wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
You didn't regret, you came back.
Yeah, just the whole routine, but once you get it, you know, in your
Yeah.
head, you realise that you've got to practice for, you know, a good couple of months.
Quick, quick, slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, 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 slow, 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 slow.
Yeah. At the minute, for me, it's not too bad. And
We're both kind of in the tourism industry.
Yeah.
So we have a little bit of spare time this time of year.
Yeah.
In the summer, would be,
If it was in the summer,
it'd be really difficult.
Yeah.
So it's a good way to get through the winter, a wee bit of dancing.
You missed down low on the back corte before the quick quicks, and I think last time as well you were only doing one side step. So you got your two. But
as long as we get round,
They'll have a laugh.
yeah, I was quite happy with that.
You know, we're not looking for moving on to anything greater after this.
We won't be going on tour.
I don't think so. Cruise ship? No, maybe.
I don't know.
7, 8, 9, 10. Slow, quick, quick, slow. Yeah, that's it.
Yn ahynys, asyn farn yn thawn condri Donny agus Ali. Agus a dŵlwan dros skipper a Tolder Stefan.
Just get some digging done, fix a path. I'm already looking forward to my peace break.
Elan yn chwain, mae'n cwrst gwder gachart, Shaliat lehuavan er das du agnarst.